Do you want to know how you can log into your Kronos Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kronos Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Kronos Payroll login after you open your browser. Now what you need to do is click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Kronos. Now you can see you can log in using your username or your email address. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in the first box and then write down your password in the second box. After you write down your password, click on this icon, check your password and then click on this next button. This way you can easily log into your Kronos Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. And if you want to create a new account for yourself at Kronos Payroll, this is the link for you. If this is not the site for you, just go back and click on this link. It will take you to another link which is called Kronos Workday Ready. So this is also the same, guys. You must write down the password, your username and then log in. So make sure your username and password is correct and is associated with your Kronos account. And you can write down your username, password, click login and log into your Kronos account from here as well. So guys, this is how you log into your Kronos Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.